Hello! These are your instructions for the Take and Make kit from the library. This is the September kit for kids in grades kindergarten through 2nd grade. And this is the Invisible Ink kit. So in your box, you are going to have 1 white crayon, 1 pack of watercolors, and 5 pieces of paper. So now you are ready to create your invisible ink. So what you're going to do first is take your crayon and your piece of paper, and you want to write your secret message using your crayon. And I would press a little bit harder using the crayon because then it shows up better. Okay, so once your secret message is all written out, then you are going to take your watercolor, and you will need a small glass of water from your house, and you are going to paint over the entire sheet of paper with your watercolors, and that's how you're going to reveal your message. So when you are finished painting over the watercolors, it will look something like this. Okay, thank you and enjoy your kit.